Hi, I'm Donald McIntyre, editor at the ETC Cooperative. This is the Ethereum Classic show, and we have Chris Ziogas today, ETC Cooperative core developer for ETC, and we're going to talk about a new project or app called Safe. Hello, Chris, how are you?
Hello, nice to be in the show. And I would like to tell a bit more about Gnosis Safe running on, actually it's a multisig wallet running on ETC network.
Great. Can you tell me first what you do? What is your work at the ETC Cooperative and at ETC?
Yes, I'm working as a client developer, actually on the core Geth team, together with Isaac. So we are mainly protocol developers there. And next to it, on the team, there is also Diego, who works on the best client.
Great.
Although we also run some work on some other small projects, and one of that was to bring Gnosis Safe on chain, so as our users can use it on their benefit.
Excellent. Well, can you tell me what is Gnosis Safe, and what is the version that was teleported to ETC?
Yeah, sure. So actually, Gnosis Safe is a multi-signature wallet that can be utilized from teams or individuals in order they can a group of people, let's say that four people can decide and sign and confirm before a transaction happens. So we run an organization, we put some money there, some tokens there, and then we decide to spend some tokens to do something. The first one creates, suggests this transaction to happen, and then a portion of other team members, we can say that 75% of them have to sign as well and confirm that this transaction is valid and it's gonna happen. After 75% of them confirm, the actual transaction happens on the contract and the tokens are being transferred for that reason. That's mainly it. And based on that, Gnosis Safe is one of the most secure contracts out there. And it is being used a lot because it's extendable and secure. So, so we got it to ETC, yeah.
So okay, so you moved it to ETC. Now there is a specific ETC Safe application.
Yeah, yeah.
And where is that application located so people can go and see it?
It's on multisig.etccooperative.org. I think that we will have the link as well under the video or in a post or somewhere, right?
Or okay, it's going to be in an independent URL in the future domain.
Yeah.
So for now, it is on multisig.etccooperative.org. So that's where people can find it. And of how
one note there, sorry for interrupting. One note there is that in the same URL, they can interact with the Classic chain as well as Mordor in order to test it.
Oh, excellent. That's excellent. That's excellent, especially for companies and teams that they always have protocols to test things before they launch them on the mainnet. So more just for people to know, Mordor is a proof of work testnet for Ethereum Classic. So just I reviewed the product. I think it's very cool, very good design and useful product now. And I see that in general the way it works is that You can use it for teams or an individual. In the case of an individual, it's easy because it's an individual and they can connect their MetaMask, for example, a desktop wallet with another address and their ledger. And when they are signing things, if they lose their ledger, nobody can steal their stuff because they would need to have all their devices with all their private keys in the different places to be able. So you create in a way your own multisig. But for teams, you may have a company, like you said, with 4 people, and you have, let's say, the CEO, the CFO, the chief operating officer, and the head of administrative, for example, and they have to 3 have to sign of the 4 to send the transaction, no? But I saw that the way it works, they would all need to go to the app, and it's not that they hold their private keys inside the app like a normal app, but each one of them has their own wallet, like they can have a Ledger wallet or Trezor or MetaMask. So you still have your own end user wallet, and each one needs to have their private key there. And from there, they create the multi-sig smart contract on Safe, no? That's how it works?
Yes, yes.
And then what features, what kinds of assets can you have on an ETC using a Safe wallet once you created a Safe wallet?
So you can have there either the native token ETC, some coins on ETC coins, some ERC20 tokens, or some NFTs like ERC721.
Mm-hmm.
And you can manage everything through this wallet.
Okay.
On top of that, you can connect with different wallets. Currently, it's MetaMask, Ledger, Trezor, or using Wallet Connect that supports a lot of other wallets.
Okay.
And on top of that, you can, at the end, you can utilize also some apps. It's called Safe apps, but actually it's dApps running there. So currently there are 2 of them, but you can register your own dApps. So if you have a dApp, you can set the URL there, and then you can use it safely from within this multisig wallet in order to contact to make calls there.
Okay, so the end users, say the hypothetical 4 people in this company, they can have either MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Trezor, or Ledger, and they would connect them to their own Safe app, and there they would see the smart contracts where they participate on the blockchain.
Yes, just a correction that Safe apps is something that you can utilize. If you don't want to do that, you can directly call any contract on the ETC chain by doing a transaction. You don't have to register an app or use it or whatever. So it's like having a wallet doing actual transactions, nothing else.
Okay, so you can send the transaction directly from your wallet.
Yeah, yeah.
And if dApp developers want Safe users to use their dApp, first let me clarify. So each Safe wallet, which is a multisig wallet, has its own account on the blockchain, no?
Exactly.
So if you want to send valuable treasury assets like ETC, etc., to a multisig, you need to send it not to your MetaMask account or your Ledger. You have to send it to the address of the multisig Safe on.
Exactly.
Okay. And if developers want their dApps to be usable by Safe wallets, multisig wallets, what is the process in a nutshell that they have to do?
So
you want
actually,
to, you want to share your screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Go ahead.
Let me do it. Can you see it?
Yes.
So here is a safe wallet that I have created. Currently, I have two, one for Classic and one for Mordor, as you see here. And let's switch to the Mordor one. Sorry for that. Give me a second. So as everyone is on the same page, I will give a demo of it. And I will connect my MetaMask wallet. It needs a password. Okay. Yeah, so it asks me, first it asks me to switch my MetaMask to the Mordor chain. I allow that. And switch to Mordor. And it's on Mordor, yeah. The account we will use is this one. And it's already connected, okay. And by doing a reload, yeah, we are connecting at MetaMask. We're using this account on MetaMask. As we can see, if it has some tokens. So this is the amount of tokens this one has.
Okay.
And currently, this contract, this is multisig wallet you see here. Okay, doesn't have any tokens. Okay.
Okay, so that's the one. This is the address of the safe wallet, which is a multisig wallet.
Exactly. Yeah, and it has nothing. So here at the left, I see this multisig wallet. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going to copy this address, and I want to send some tokens to it.
Yes.
So I just open MetaMask, for example, and I will send to this address, let's say 10 ETC. And I click next, confirm, and I'm waiting for the transaction to happen.
Okay, you just send from your MetaMask to this safe wallet, multisig wallet.
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm waiting for it to happen. Let's make it a bit faster. Yeah. I think it happened. Yes. So we're waiting a bit more until the safe knows about it, okay? If we go on Block Scout, it's already there. The balance is already there, okay?
Yeah.
Because it's on the blockchain.
Yes.
Although the actual app, yeah, needs a bit more time. So now we have these tokens, and the conversion might not be correct. At this point, I think it's correct, right?
The value, yes.
Yeah. So if I go to assets, I see that I have some coins here.
Okay.
Okay. And now that this multisig wallet has some value in it, I can perform anything I want.
Okay.
Before I do that, let's see that in the address book, I already assigned some addresses. Okay. So this is my current address, and there are two more that I used for testing. And in settings, I can see that currently there is only one owner, and it's not me. So actually, I cannot use this money. I just send some money. Anyone can send money, but I cannot take them back, right?
Okay.
So for this reason, here it says read only, the green button. Okay. So now, if I go here, disconnect this wallet and I want to use the other one. Let me switch on MetaMask. So I want to use.
So this is a safe multisig wallet where you are not included in the wallet.
Yeah.
At least
So, but now I switch in MetaMask. I switch to this address, and now I'm the owner.
Okay,
right?
It was your other address.
Yeah, I can make a new transaction now. Here, before the green button was saying read only, right? Okay, so now what I can do is either create a new transaction to send funds, send an NFT, or do a contract interaction like normal, like using MetaMask to send a transaction, okay? Or if you want to extend this test, we can also set a new owner, which is actually this one that I was using before. So the previous address that I used, I make this an owner as well. So now we have two owners of this wallet. And I say that for something to happen, both owners have to sign.
Yes.
So I say, okay. And let's set the gas price, okay, submit. I'm not sure if you see my MetaMask window in my screen. Do you see it now?
No,
okay,
only that.
Sorry, yeah. Sorry for that. I will change that now so as you can get the full experience.
Yeah, but no, I can imagine that you're signing each transaction and each.
Yeah. So
we only have 8 more minutes for this interview.
We are almost there. So
also another thing I want to clarify: you are in Greece and I am in Oklahoma City. We are a global team.
Yeah, that's good. That's the nice bit. So as you can see here now,
I can see your screen where I see myself.
Okay.
You're going to sign a MetaMask transaction from there?
No. Now?
Yes, I can see your MetaMask. Okay.
Yeah, so now the MetaMask has opened and I can sign the transaction, okay? So I click confirm. And now it says, okay, we are going, a new transaction is happening. We need one-of-one confirmations because at this point, the first user says, I'm adding a second one and I increase the confirmation policy to 2. Okay?
Oh, okay, so you can
this happens now, as you can see, transaction successfully executed. So now, if I go to owners and policies, it takes something about a minute.
Yeah, I have to process.
And say 2 here. Let's give it.
Excellent. So it's a full management system for multi-sig accounts.
Yeah. Actually, we don't have to reload. It uses WebSocket to update, but because we don't have much time because of anxiety, I'm doing a reload. So yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now, if I create a new transaction to send some funds, I say that I want to send them to any address, even to this test. I'm okay.
Yes.
I want to send one of the assets. If I had some NFTs in here, I will be able to send the NFT as well, right?
Yeah.
And the amount of it will be 1. I say review. And here I allow this to be sent. And the first user actually just signs that. So I sign that I want to create a transaction, but it says confirmations 1 of 2. So the second one has to confirm. If this user was you in a team, then you will get a notification. But now I have to switch a wallet because I don't have both open, right? So if I come in MetaMask and I switch this wallet back to this one, now I can confirm here, if you see.
So you received a notification that you have to also sign?
Yeah, so here it says that this address starting from 139 has already signed.
Okay, good.
Now you see here I'm signed in as the account 8F1.
It's a second participant.
So I'm the second owner and I can confirm.
Excellent.
Okay. So if I confirm now, it also says me, do you want to execute the transaction? Because it might be that they only sign and somebody else, the CEO, comes in and executes the transaction.
Okay.
So yeah, I say I also want to execute it. I'm good. So now, let's make it a bit bigger, faster. So 3, wait, save, confirm. And now the actual transaction will run on the blockchain.
Yes.
So 2 people have signed in order for 1 transaction to execute.
Excellent. It's a full interface for management of Multisig. It's easy to use.
Yeah.
And I have two more questions.
It's sent. Yeah.
Excellent. Very easy to use. Excellent demo. So the Gnosis Safe wallet that works on Ethereum is web-based, desktop, and mobile. For now, ETC is only web-based.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's only web-based, and there are plans to also try and get desktop and mobile support.
Yeah.
But this might come sooner if there are users that want to utilize that. Otherwise, yeah, it might take longer.
And what I see here the app on the web. This is the ETC Safe. I see entonces it has 4 big sections. One, assets, where people can see the assets that they have in their different safes. The second one is transactions, so they can check each transaction. And then the third one is address books. I guess there they can have not only addresses that they interact to send and receive, but also the addresses of the people that are co-signers. And lastly, apps, which basically people can go and see and browse dApps that they can use with these multi-sig smart.
So here are the apps. For example, you have Wallet Connect, where you can use Wallet Connect to call, another Wallet Connect. So you connect another wallet to be used by the Multisig wallet to send some money out.
Okay.
So it's like you are the normal user. It's like any other wallet that you can use, okay? And then you have drain account that you say, okay, I want to remove all the funds from this wallet and close it or do it something. So this will calculate the gas cost for doing that, and you are sure that you will get all the money out.
Yeah.
Next to that, you can create any app you want. So if you have your own Multisig wallet and you want to use a custom app, you are free to do that, or to reach us to make this publicly available to all other wallets as well.
So when you include a dApp on ETC to use it yourself, that includes it for all the other users of Safe?
No, this is only for your own wallet.
Okay. There's many dApp developers and NFT developers on ETC, and there's swap apps, etc. What do they have to do to include their dApp quickly?
They have to reach us in order they provide the info required in order we add them in the registry.
Okay, they have to reach you.
Later on, we might create a process for that, like create a pull request somewhere and we will pick up. Okay. But currently, the best way is to reach us.
Excellent. Bueno, Chris, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for explaining this. And I hope to be able to talk to you in the near future about other projects, but this Safe project is really fascinating. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.
Good night from Oklahoma, and you're in Greece.